Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to IBM AAC Associate System Engineer hiring process. In the video we will discuss about everything. Salary is 4.50 LP and we are discussing the exam pattern and the hiring process. I already shared this all update 10 days ago because we got the update related to 24-25 batch hiring. And for the IBM, you can check the latest interview experience of Sagnik. Sagnik already cracked the IBM opportunity, that is a AAC, okay? And in the video, you will see the hiring process as well, okay? So we are discussing about each and everything. First of all, if you directly apply for opportunity, okay, if you directly apply for opportunity, so you will receive, you have successfully submitted your job application, Associate System Engineer, and the next is application status, okay, IBM application next step. So they mention we use the following assessment for selection purpose: one or more assessment, the coding assessment, record competency video, the short and engagement assessment to demonstrate your workplace competency beyond what a traditional resume allow. There will be pre-recorded question and you will ask to record your response. So in the IBM process, definitely we will see the new, like a new trend, or we can say that new one added section, that is recorded competency video. And the third is English language assessment, evaluate your English language skills and competency, okay? So we are waiting for the update, or we are waiting for the test mail from the IBM team, but we are discussing about the hiring process in today's video. First of all, the role is AAC Associate System Engineer. Course completion year is 24. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, dual degree, MSc, MCA can apply 60% or 6 CGPA. Associate System Engineer is the role, okay? And many of the location, pan India locations are there: Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore, Mysore, Cochin, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, okay? This is the key competencies. It is entry level off campus hiring and 2024 batch is eligible. 4.50 lakh per annum is the package and one time settling allowance of 25,000 rupees. Job description you can check, okay? The job description is similar like this: Associate System Engineer, okay? One most important one that I have to mention, in the tomorrow's video we will discuss about everything, that what about the redundancy form, okay? Suppose you applied for opportunity, okay, suppose you applied for opportunity directly, so what about redundancy form, okay? So let's discuss about the hiring process of IBM in detail, that is updated exam pattern. The first round of your coding test, okay? Second round of your communication, that is English test, and third round is group discussion test, and fourth round is technical interview and HR interview, okay? Previously in the IBM examination, sometimes the first third rounds, like the first two rounds are online, okay? And the third round group discussion, technical and HR interview is offline, okay? But this year we don't know about the trend, it will totally depends on them, okay? Like they conduct a process online or offline, okay? But we are expecting that if the process is online, it will very good for everyone. So first round is coding test, in which number of question two, okay? Totally depends on IBM team, कभी कभी one question भी आता है, कभी कभी two question भी आते हैं. Time is 45 minutes or more. There is a 90 minutes time as well, or 45 minutes. Practice platform is HackerRank, LeetCode and CodeChef. I suggest everyone to, you have to do practice on daily basis on any of the platform, HackerRank, LeetCode or CodeChef. They will definitely ask the medium level question, like medium level to advanced, based on sorting. Practice easy and medium level LeetCode and GFG practice question, okay? So one most important point, this is a question of IBM: elevator floor sequence. An elevator with its direction and on which floor its standing is given. If elevator is moving upwards, then it will stop only at the requested floor, okay? So if yes, it will continue. So like they mention that if the elevator is downwards and the person wishes to move in upward direction, the elevator check if there are stop on lower floors or not. So basically the thing is, they are asking the like questions that is related to data structures. Most probably data structures and algorithm is very most important part, and you have to prepare for the IBM examination, because IBM coding examination level is like in between medium to advanced, okay? So you have to prepare more coding questions on daily basis, and you can check the HackerRank, LeetCode or CodeChef. Next round is all about the communication test, that is second round. In this, number of sections are 3 to 4. The duration is 10 to 15 minutes, in which fill in the blanks question, correct spelling, one word related definition and synonyms based question. Okay, one word definition and synonyms. So communication test is like English test in which some MCQs are there, or we can say that sections are there in which fill in the blanks you have to complete that fill in the blanks, correct spelling, one word definition, synonyms. You can check more videos of English related communication test on YouTube. And guys, if you want free preparation of IBM, let me know in the comment section. We will come up with the free preparation video and we will come up with the free coding preparation. Third round is group discussion. After completing this, there is a group discussion round. GD is very important. Topic is Android versus iOS. They divided into groups of 8 as per the student count. The group was mentored by one of the HR of IBM. This was elimination round, so try to speak with confidence and add your opinion. Take clarification if required beforehand. Don't be just a listener. If you do not get any point, try to carry on the same point and take it forward with your experience or other example. बोलना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है जीडी में, अपने पॉइंट्स को क्लियर करना पड़ता है. यू हैव टू शेयर योर पॉइंट्स, दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड एज दिस इज़ अ एलिमिनेशन राउंड, so you have to prepare very well for GD. I suggest everyone to check on YouTube that what are the IBM GD topics. On Google you can check, you will find lot of videos related to IBM GD topics or IBM GD topic. Okay, fourth round is technical and HR interview. This was technical plus HR interview. The interview was friendly but the difficulty level was different from different candidate. Okay, सो कैंडिडेट्स के अकॉर्डिंग डिफरेंट लेवल होता है. ठीक है, मतलब किसी कैंडिडेट से थोड़ा मीडियम पूछ लिया, किसी कैंडिडेट से थोड़ा इजी एडवांस पूछ लिया. द क्वेश्चन आस्क इज फर्स्टली ही गेव हिज इंट्रोडक्शन एंड आफ्टर दैट टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ. What is major difference between MongoDB and SQL database? Which database is better? So I already said in all my previous video that you have to prepare your tell me about yourself very correctly. Okay, बिकॉज जो आप टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ में बोलेंगे, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मोस्ट प्रोबेबली वहीं से आने के चांसेस है. एक्सप्लेन सॉर्टिंग टेक्निक. ही गेव मी पेन एंड पेपर एंड आस्क मी टू एक्सप्लेन. बबल सिलेक्शन एंड क्विक सॉर्ट विथ एग्जाम्पल. ओके, based on my project he asked what is JWT, what it's used in a web application, explain token, how are cookies different from token. They are asking project related question, they are checking your technical knowledge. He also asked me how would I rate myself in DSA. I rated myself as 6 to 7. I can solve easy and medium level GFG question. Also mentioned that took a crash course for DSA and practice GFG and lead code. So the thing is, you can, if you taken the crash course from any of the websites, so you can mention. Okay, otherwise you can mention like you are solving questions from this website. As I mentioned problem solving in my resume, he gave me question. There is a ball that is dropped from height of 8 meter. The ball has property of bouncing back to half of its height. What will be total distance covered by ball? So like they are checking your general knowledge, or we can say that problem solving related skills they are checking. At the end he asked if you have any questions from him. I asked any feedback for me. He did not answer this question, so don't ask. What technology IBM is currently working on? Perfect. Then he asked me if I willing to relocate to south or not. Okay, fine. So this is all about the interview experience. And one most important point, on our channel, candidate already selected in January 22, location is Bangalore, received offer letter from IBM brother. रोल एसोसिएट सिस्टम इंजीनियर राउंड 1 2 एंड वर्चुअल मोड. दैट आई ऑलरेडी सेड कि पहले के राउंड फर्स्ट और सेकंड वर्चुअल हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद थर्ड और फोर्थ राउंड सेम डे को हुआ था. थर्ड ग्रुप डिस्कशन था विच इज फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू. फोर्थ इज टेक्निकल एंड HR राउंड. ऑल राउंड्स आर एलिमिनेशन. विद इन 10 days you will get result in our portal of IBM. You can check the update. Okay, so this is all about the hiring process of IBM. I hope you like the video, and if you have any kind of doubt, let me know in the comment section. You can check the interview experience of selected candidates as well. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and let's wait for exam mail.